George Martin once lost a football bet to a guy train just a girl who loves Railroader vintage shirt. Train just a girl who loves Railroader vintage shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies' tee for men and women. V-neck. Tank top. Belich was a renowned Valentine patriot whose train just a girl who loves Railroader vintage shirt. Official train just a girl who loves Railroader vintage sweatshirt. Hottie. Hottie. Sweatshirt. Hell. Go into your average sports bar and most people still think Brady deflated footballs. It's train just a girl who loves Railroader vintage shirt. Other products.